there! How you guys doing? I'm Coach Megan. We are going to go over some pointers to help you get your hip up from the ground. It's like a really cool way just to pop up from the ground. Like, you'll surprise people. Like, wow, she came alive. So check it out, and then we'll go over some pointers. All right. So I like to start low from the ground in a squat here. So my heels are like almost on my butt. And then you want to make sure to go to your butt first and stay like round, kind of like if you're doing a backwards roll. So butt first, get your hands ready right by your shoulders, round, and you just want to hit this position first. And when I go, I feel my hands like a little past my shoulders, right about here. So you don't want them too far deep because then it's hard to get a good push. But then if they're too far up, then I'm not going to get a good push either. So I'd say right about, what am I, like 2 inches in front of my shoulders. So maybe to get yourself warmed up, you can just start here, tuck your chin, roll back. And then back up, roll back. And kind of feel this push as you're coming back. Oh, and make sure your feet, try not to let them go to the side at all. Because if you're popping up and they go to the side, it's like, yeah, you're gonna be a sideways train wreck. And you can even practice like holding that position for a little longer. Maybe here, and hold it for like not too long, like 5 seconds, and then really push a little quicker to here. And then once you have that, you're going to want to shoot your feet up and then land here with your hips up on flat feet, or maybe slightly on your toes, but just be careful not to go too much on the arch because you don't want to, hurt your foot. So let's try that one now. So here, back. Do you see that? And you don't want to go on too hard of a ground. Find something, maybe you have like a nice futon mattress, or I don't know, something of that sort. Because, you don't want to wreck your body. Be smart, practice smart. So yeah, maybe do like 5 to 10 of those. You don't want to do too much though, because you don't want to get a headache. I actually feel myself on my fingertips at first as I go, and then as my knees get down, that's when I feel my palms push on the ground, and then I almost push through my palms. Drive your feet straight over the top and keep your hips here as long as you can, and then go ahead and pull them up. And then when you go for the real shebang, you're gonna push a little harder, you're gonna arch a little more, and then you wanna get your feet under you and your chest up. I noticed in the first ones, I'll put one of the ones I fell at. I was kind of leaning back too much, like you gotta get your feet under your body. And as I'm going back, I see my toes and my legs go, I see them. And right about here is when I kind of arch a little bit, and then I'll put my head, maybe put it back like the tiniest bit, and then it goes back to neutral. But for the most part, you're looking at those toes going. And then just kind of stretch your body out a little as you arch. And then when you land, just be nice and be prepared for battle. Acha! So if you want to start out with a little bit of help for your body so you can stand up, maybe try going on a lifted surface. Obviously something that's soft, I mean, duh. So this seems to work out good. You want to sit towards the edge more, and then roll back, because then as you pop up, look it, you got a little bit of lift to let you fly and land on those feet. Yeah. And just be safe, you know? If you feel like you can't make it, just really stick to that soft ground. Give yourself a higher lift, you know, until you're really comfortable. And be careful, if you don't make it, don't put your hands back like this, because then you can break your wrist or your arm. Owie. And we really don't want to do that. So I suggest if you fall back, feel like, see how I tucked? I tucked my chin immediately. I could have gone here, or you can maybe cross your arms. Just protect your head and really keep it tucked. And a way to get better at that is abs, abs, abs. The more abs you do, the stronger, especially these VFs, the stronger you're gonna get. And also you wanna work on your arm strength so you can go straight, lift your body up like that, even pushing up into a back bend or a half back bend, just like that. I feel like it's the same kind of muscles that you're gonna need. So maybe add that in, and of course push-ups, lots of triceps. I feel like my triceps and my shoulders are burning a little from doing the kip up. So good luck. And yeah, it's really cool. Like, it just looks like something in one of those, you know, haja, kung fu movies, or parkour. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. And remember, I have a million other videos. Not a million, but a lot. If you want to learn any gymnastics tricks or workouts. And if you want to do this with beautiful, pretty form, just squeeze those legs, get them straight, point your toes. Your form will just be shining bright with pointed toes and straight legs. Okay, here's your end of the video trick. See you later.